When I was a little girl, there was always one gift that I was dying to see under the Christmas tree every holiday season, and that was Barbie. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys the Purr Barbie collaboration. This is their second collaboration together, and I think it's so perfect for the holiday season. First off, I want to give a big thank you to Purr for sending me this amazing Barbie box. Look at this, you guys. So cute. Love it. Never lose your sparkle. Purr Barbie. Really amazing box, and what I loved about this is that I still collect Barbie dolls, so for me, I was like, this is so fun. I can't wait to, when I opened up the box, it was like a little Barbie palace for her to dance the night away. I wish I had my Barbies in this room with you guys, because I would actually be like, look, so much fun. And I love how inclusive Barbie is today. Like, they have plus size Barbie, they have petite Barbie, they have Barbies with disabilities, if that's the correct word, but they have so many different Barbies now that it's amazing. So if you know somebody that grew up loving Barbie, or you love Barbie, the Barbie Purr Cosmetics collection is it this holiday season, and just in general. I love this. I love this collection. So I want to run through with you all the products in the collection, and we're also going to talk about this tutorial that I filmed. So we're going to do a tutorial, a review, swatches, everything. So get excited. So the first level in Barbie's Dream Palace features a eyeshadow palette, some faux lashes, and lip mist. The Endless Possibilities 2 palette is so wearable and features so many everyday and glam shades. I created this glam look using 4 shades from this palette, and they did not disappoint. Creamy, pigmented, easy to work with, blendable, no kickback, minimal fallout. Perfection. And I love how it's set up. It's very festive, very holiday, but still very, very Barbie. So let's get this swatched up. This is the top row, center 4 shades. Very wearable, perfect for everyday glam looks, more neutral looks. You'll notice this one here is actually a duochrome. Right there. For the second row, we have more shimmery shades. These are perfect for highlighting or brightening up any eye look, creating halo eye looks as well. These 3 shades got you. The bottom row features a selection of browns and mauves, really great for more warm toned looks, but again, I love that they include those very soft, almost creamy to powder shimmer shades to really layer on top of those matte shades. So whether you want to go simple with matte or you want to really glam it up, and I feel like that really talks to Barbie's aesthetic, because she could be Nurse Barbie, she could be Astronaut Barbie, or she could be glam in the ballroom, and this really speaks to that personality. On the 4 corners, we have a more neutral all over the lid shade. We have a great transitional shade. We have a blue shade, which I'm wearing on the lower lash line here, as well as the darkest shade in the palette, which is a dark chocolate brown, and it's perfect for using as a liner. I used it to define my lower lash line as well as line my upper lash line. It's also what I use the blue for too. So ultra creamy, buildable, easy to work with, minimal fallout, creamy, mattes, shimmers, everything. I'm in love with this palette, and the packaging is stunning. Now let's talk ultra giftable faux lashes. First of all, this packaging is perfect for putting on the tree, whether Santa's coming the night before, or it's just something that you have on the tree that people can wake up to, or just you're just showing your love for Barbie. It is absolutely beautiful. You get 2 pairs of faux lashes, and you get the lash glue. You get both Malibu Lash as well as Hollywood Lash. I'm wearing Hollywood Lash here, which is a little bit more glam. Malibu is a bit more everyday. So you can go from day to night with these lashes. And again, I love the giftability of this. Really, really cute. I think the most unique item in the set is the lip mist. This is the Purr Barbie lip mist. It's a signature illuminating setting spray. I'm wearing it today. It really hyped up the glow on my face, but I gotta show you the packaging. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. It looks like an old-fashioned perfume. It's really great to display on your vanity, your dresser. Whether you love Barbie or not, the vintage side of me is just like, yes, so happy. And it locks too, so if your children are squeezing it, nothing's gonna come out unless you turn it, click it into place, and then add a little bit of glow and glam to your look this holiday season, and always glow to the gods. There's also a truly gorgeous highlighter that's included in this collection. This is the Confident Glow. Love the positive affirmation, and I absolutely love the design on this as well. It features Barbie's silhouette, really gives you that nice soft glow. If you want to make it a little bit glittery, there's a powder for that, but this is going to give that traditional metallic glow that you can use underneath your brow, you can use it on your cheek, you can use it on your lip, you can use it on your nose. Love this, absolutely love this. So creamy, don't need to moisten your brush at all before applying it. Just cream to powder, beautiful formula. The next level of Barbie collection, we have some things here. I don't know what was here. This came empty to me, so whatever this might have been, I think these might have been nail polishes, but I didn't get them, so unfortunately I can't review what was here. But I do have some glosses and a blush palette to show you guys. Next up, we have some Barbie glosses. We have Girl Gloss and Boss Gloss. I'm actually wearing Girl Gloss, which is a sheer metallic shade. It's a sheer gold shade. I don't want to say metallic because it's actually really sheer, but it does give a little bit of metallic look once it's on the lips. I love the packaging. It opens with a push of a button to come open, so that's a little bit of a unique packaging there. And this gloss is a little bit of a duo chrome gloss, which I thought was really fun. And again, these are both really sheer, great for layering on and just transforming whatever lipstick you wear. I actually put the Girl Gloss, the golden one, over the red matte lipstick, and it transformed it into a gloss. I also have the Malibu blush palette. Malibu blush palette. You get 6 different blush shades, and I feel like I love that they included 6 shades because you have all different skin tones that can use this. You're not limited. You can use them in all different ways. Use them on your eye if you want to. If there's a shade here that doesn't work for you. I love that they go from light to dark, so depending on your skin tone, you can bronze or blush. I decided to go for a blush. I combined these 2 shades, and I went a little heavy because it was a holiday look, but I absolutely adored this palette. I'm going to swatch it up for you guys as well. These are the first 5 shades, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, they are not terribly pigmented, but of course on the face they're going to look a lot different than they do on my hand. And you can see that we have warm tones, cool tones, very flattering in a lot of different skin tones. And that last shade is the darkest shade, which I feel would go well on darker skin tones, medium to darker skin tones, or if you like to heavily bronze. I don't, because I feel like it looks too much on my skin tone, so I went with just a softer blush kind of diffusion on my face. But I love that these are easy to build up. They sheer out really nicely. I like the design of it, really goes well, matches that eyeshadow palette, and just kind of fits with the aesthetic of Barbie. I don't really remember her contouring too much, but that's our aesthetic today, so Barbie adapts with times, and I love this palette so much. Next up, let's talk level 3. We've got some mascara, we've got a collectible brush, we've got some lipstick. We've got a lot going on. We have another highly giftable ornament style box, which features 2 mascaras. One is a primer, one is your mascara. I'm wearing it on my lower lash line here, and I applied it to my lashes to blend the lashes together. I love the Purr Cosmetics mascara because it never flakes, never leaves my lashes dry, and I feel like it really helps to build and elongate my lashes. So whether you're wearing it with mascara or alone, it's a great product to have. Now let's talk about this brush. I could not bring myself to use it. I am so sorry. It was so soft on the hand, and I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you guys why I couldn't use it. First of all, it's gorgeous. It features a little tiny bow on it, and it features Barbie's silhouette on top. Hopefully you guys can see it now. It is so soft. I just couldn't put her on my face. I couldn't. It was so pretty. But super soft. Oh, it just feels like butter, like heaven. Oh, no matter what you put in this, even if it's just a little bit of foundation, will blend out perfectly. Like I could just feel it on my hand. It would be perfect. But it's too much of a collectible to be so pretty. Like like it almost killed me to use that highlight that had the Barbie silhouette, but I did it. I did it for you guys. Now let's talk lipstick. There are 3 lipsticks in this collection. They all have the same packaging, which features they're kind of like chevron design, very glittery, beautiful push of a button, just like the glosses, to make the lipstick come out. There are 3 shades, and they all feature, it says Purr times Barbie on all of them, and they all feature Barbie's head at the tip. Now I've ruined Barbie's head on this tip because I've applied this lipstick. This is the shade CEO. Definitely makes me feel like a boss when I'm wearing it, but there are 2 other shades that I do want to show you guys and swatch up for you guys. Also features Barbie's silhouette on the tip here. So there is also Innovator, which is a more everyday mauve shade. You can probably see Barbie's face on here, a little bit clearer. Trailblazer, and both of these are more everyday shades like mauve and nude. They are still matte and they both feature the Barbie symbol at the tip of them. These are both a matte formula, very creamy though, very easy to wear and very opaque. Now of course they're going to look a little bit different on the lips, but from experience of CEO, it's a dream to apply and it doesn't dry out your lips. I love this matte formula for being just a little bit more creamy and a little bit more hydrating. The top is Innovator and the bottom is Trailblazer, that more nude, wearable, everyday shade. Now the last level of Barbie's little ballroom that they sent is skincare, brushes, and a little bit of face glitter because Barbie is never without her spark. Now I have to tell you guys, I love that this contained skincare. As somebody that loves doing skincare with their makeup, this was an absolute necessity for me, and I'm so glad that it's part of the collection. I love the packaging on it. Kind of reminds me of that ballroom look, like that wedding hall look. Very Barbie-esque. This is a trio and it actually comes as the signature 3-piece skincare sampler because you know Barbie always has her like flawless skin. I don't know how, but you know. And this has the deep pore cleanser, the gel to water hydrating essence, as well as the age defying concentrate. I am actually wearing the hydrator and the concentrate on my face underneath my makeup, and I absolutely loved how moisturizing, hydrating, and just minimizing of those fine lines that this kit was. The brushes comes with a collectible brush kit, like brush packaging. You can see your brushes in it. You can easily travel with this. I love that it snaps closed. It has the beautiful Barbie branding and just the gorgeous little bow ties on all the brushes. And this is eye and face brushes in this kit. Really amazing. For this look I used every single brush and they were so soft on the face. And the last product I'm going to show you guys is the Barbie Forever Glow Signature Illuminating Scented Body Powder. I use this on my face, but you can use this all over the body. It is scented, not too much though. It's not overpowering and it features a very cute little puff. It smells like vanilla, has Barbie silhouette, never lose your sparkle was the sticker before I pulled it off, and so you can glow with Barbie all year round. I just love the powder puff. It's so very on brand with Barbie. So now that we've run through all of the products in this collection and some swatches, let me show you guys my tutorial featuring most of them.
So let's dig into the Purr Barbie Dream House Vault. This is available on the Purr Cosmetics website and everything you need from skincare to makeup. I'm starting off with the Barbie Skin Essential Signature 3-piece Skincare Sampler. I'm applying the Creatine Serum Age Defying Concentrate as well as the 4-in-1 Cloud Cream. This helps to moisturize and give the skin a more youthful appearance. I love how hydrating it is and how quickly it absorbs into the skin, almost like a primer for the skin. This applies well to even sensitive areas of the face, such as under the eye. As you can see, I'm using it to kind of eliminate some of my dark circles, and it worked very well on my combination skin. On my eyes, I'm going to be using the Endless Possibilities 2 Signature 15-piece eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be applying these shades with the Brush and Sparkle Signature 5-piece cruelty-free brush set with stand. As you can see, you open up the stand and all the brushes can sit in it. They're amazingly beautiful. I love the gold accents as well as the bow, and they are so soft to the touch. So I'm starting off with a medium shade and I'm applying it to my crease area. As you can see, I'm just doing a light sweeping motion back and forth, and I'm bringing that up slightly towards the brow bone. I'm doing this on both of my eyes, and I love that this shade really complements my skin tone. It's a little bit more orange, but it definitely stands out. Now on the lid, instead of sweeping, I'm patting the shade on, so it's just a little bit thicker. As you notice, I also didn't apply any primer on my eye, and you can see how pigmented these shades are and how well they apply, even without a primer or any kind of setting product on the eye. And as you can see, there is virtually no fallout with this shade. I am softening the edges up with the fluffy brush. So now we're going to brighten up the eye look a little bit one of the metallic shades. No, I did not wet the brush. This is the shade right from the palette to my eye. The more metallic shades have like a creamy to powder formula, so they go on exceptionally smooth, but they are in a cream. They just are so buttery and smooth, and they really brighten up any eye look you do, whether you're doing a bold look or a more everyday look. These just are amazing. Now I'm applying a little bit of that darker shade with the liner brush underneath my lower lash line, and I'm softly diffusing that with my finger, and I'm going back in with the blue shade just to add some dimension and kind of like a pop of color. And once again, I'm diffusing that with my fingers. I'm also going to be using that same brown to kind of add like a faux line, not exactly a winged liner. As you see, I'm like fluffing it out a little bit. I'm trying to blend it into the shadow just to add a little bit more dimension. Now it's time to really make this look pop, and we're going to be applying the Purr Barbie doll lash. I love that these lashes actually come with glue. I feel like that's so rare for collections like these, and I loved how the glue worked. Some glues just don't work for me, but this one really got those lashes on easily, and I love how they flattered my eye. I didn't have to cut them or trim them. They just worked right out of the box. Now I did use the bolder lash from this set. This does contain two. It contains Malibu and Hollywood, and I went with the I went with the Hollywood option. You can really see it's a big difference from my natural lashes. I also did add a little bit of mascara from the Magical Eye Signature Mascara and Primer collection. I didn't use the primer, I just used the mascara from the set to blend my lashes into my faux lashes and add a little bit of definition to the lower lash line. Now we're going to add some blush to this look with the Malibu Blush Palette. This is a signature 6-piece blush palette to sculpt, define, and highlight. I did use this as a blush, and I combined it a few of the shades, and I wanted a little bit more of a bolder blush look, and I used this in lieu of contour. For highlight, I used the Purr Barbie Confident Glow Signature Illuminating Highlighter. This has a gorgeous silhouette of Barbie printed right onto the powder, and it really just adds a beautiful glow of highlight. Don't even worry about wetting your brush. Use this on your eyes, use this on your cheek. Really adds that golden hour glow to the face. And I'm using one of the brushes from the brush set to apply it, applying it to my nose and upper lip as well. You can definitely find yourself going overboard with this product, but I love it. Now we're going to get just a little bit extra with the Purr Barbie Forever Glow. This is intended for body use, but I went ahead and used it on the face with the included powder puff. I love that there is also a silhouette of Barbie in here, and it adds such an extra dimension of sparkle, and it has a soft scent of vanilla. I felt like a Hollywood movie star applying this. Then we're going to be applying the Lit Mist, which has that beautiful retro spray design, and this is like a setting spray that just adds an extra dimension of glow. We are glowing to the gods today. I mean, Barbie wouldn't have it any other way. Then we're going to be applying some lipstick. This is the CEO lipstick from the Purr x Barbie collection. You can see Barbie's little silhouette at the tip. This is a matte lipstick. It is a very bold red lipstick. And as you can see, it is incredibly creamy to apply and goes opaque in one swipe. And you can stop there, but we're not. We're going to go in with the Purr Barbie Gloss Signature High Shine Lip Gloss and a Girl Gloss. This is a beautiful sheer gloss with a slight metallic shimmer to it. I love how it transforms this matte lip shade into a beautiful glossy shade and really helped my lips look plumper and fuller. I absolutely adore this Barbie collection, and I felt like a real queen this holiday season.
So I hope you all enjoyed that. I know it's a little bit more glam. It's the holiday season, and the look I did before this was so much more neutral that I needed to do something a little bit fun and bold. I had to. I know we're not really doing too much this holiday season. A lot of states are under stay-at-home orders, and the holidays just overall look so different this year, but still, I just couldn't let the glam go. I couldn't. I'm sure some of you guys out there are like, I couldn't let go either. So let me know if you are glamming it up for the holidays, or are you keeping it more neutral? Do you want to see a neutral look? Do you want me to get all Malibu with this collection? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to do it for you guys. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to like this video, leave me some comments, subscribe, turn on those notifications so that you can be updated when I post new videos, which I try to post a few times a week. You don't want to miss them, so turn that notification bell on. If you'd like more information on any of the products that I shared here, or you want to purchase them, or you want to find them, that's all in the info section below, so be sure to check it out. There's also a blog entry that I did on this product with a few more of my thoughts, which you can check out at www.thecosmoholic.com/blog, and you can read all my thoughts on this collection there as well, so be sure to check it out. And guys, if you're on Instagram, Follow along with me at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, or at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. And of course, as always, thank you guys so much for watching.